set this down on the ground for a minute?
I'm not putting that back up on the...
It's 2 seconds.
No, just leave it there.
Okay.
That would just be even weirder.
Here we go. Round 2.
I need something to take the screws out.
Well, I got it. Do you want to record something? The beginning? Start this?
I thought that's what round 2 was.
No?
I literally thought that's what you meant.
We got Snapmaker here, and we totally just screwed this whole thing up because my computer ran out of space. And then I deleted it. Okay, so we've already unboxed some of this, but I do have some of the recording over here, so we're gonna add that in there. So we haven't got too far. So starting from now, action.
All right, and we're gonna take the screws out, and
Action.
I need a tool. I thought you said it come with tools.
It does come with tools.
Those actually aren't bad.
We're gonna use the original tools.
It's very hard for me to build because unless I'm doing it on the ground, everything's too tall. Get yourself a headlamp. I've been told get a headlamp, and I still haven't got one, but honestly, it would come in very handy for seeing things. Like at this distance, I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm winging it.
After those 3 screws, we've got
5 more.
6 screws. I just thought that.
You didn't tell me. Like I can see in the
We're going
hole.
turbo mode now. We just went into turbo mode. Move the film from the camera lens. That's going to be right here, Keila. Now we got to do the installation part. We got everything all unpacked. Now it's time to start putting stuff on the machine. All right, filament feeder marks L, establish electrical connection. Plug in the feeder slots and slide it into place. L. Let's see if we get L.
What?
You playing with stuff right there.
L.
L it is.
I gotta plug it in
Plug
first.
it in, plug it in. Make sure it's square when you plug it in. Snapper in place.
It's not quite square. Okay. So dark in here. Jeez.
Got it? There, I heard that snap. Click it on place up here. Push and snap it back this way. Slide it. There. There it is. And the other one here. Same deal. Flip her in. The smaller ones are what we need.
Yep.
And that's going to go in the bottom. And there's the number 1. And that goes right there. And give it a pull and make sure it's in there in each one. Pull, pull. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, just like that. All right. Get 1 and 2 out. Okay. This is going to be the left of the machine. So 1 up here, 2 right there. You got to push it in pretty hard, it says.
Actually, let me see, because there's a specific.
Yeah, I think it goes in a certain way. Yeah.
If I'm doing like bamboo.
Ooh, hard snap.
Okay, you pain in my arse.
It says it's kind of hard. Oh, there she is.
My husband would tell me, no.
3 on the left,
you gotta
4 on the
read.
4 or 3,
No.
3 on the top, 4 on the bottom.
It's gonna go. Are you actually gonna tell me I'm allowed? Is that what the
That's
instructions
what the
say?
instructions say. 3 on the top, 4 on the bottom.
Wow.
Why didn't you let me read instructions? All right, all right.
Because a lot of times when we build things, some things you can
don't
just
like reading
tell
instructions.
where it goes and what it's for. You can just tell. You don't have to read everything. You always want to make me pause until you read it. And I'm like, but that's so easy. Not everything's easy, but some things are. Look how tiny.
It's a little fella. You don't need much. Tool head. Oh,
Quit grabbing it.
I know.
Here.
I want to pull the thing off.
This goes back here, right? Yeah, just chillaxes.
Now
right
it goes up top. Maybe.
Probably Jeremy's saying he needs to hear a big old booty snap.
Big old booty
And
snap.
It really isn't that serious. It's in there. I mean, it's just a dump truck.
That's it. That's fine.
It's just supposed to
Just a
hold
dump truck.
hold your poop.
Middle.
Just technically 2 middles.
Oh, any of them. Now look at the other side. Okay, now put it back.
Why? I didn't even look at it really.
Now pick up the one over here. That one has a label if she would flip it around for me. There, look at that. Got a label on it.
Not good lighting here.
Right here.
Well,
So this piece right here, I had to move it out just a hair. So this little pin goes right through the back and through that hole, and then it kind of snaps right into place. So go ahead. There, finally. That was a little booger. You go through that hole. Don't snap yet. There we go. The magnet wants to pull on you. There we go. And last one. Get in your hole.
That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
There. We're in. Anything else in this big old box of joy? Nothing there. Next on the list. You want to try to rog it? Or
I wouldn't say that.
that's not what that means?
No,
try
I
to-
wouldn't say that. You know what that means.
I thought it was like try to do it without a manual. That's what that means. You try to put together a machine without a manual. Rogging it.
No.
What? 2026. Can't keep up with you kids.
Right. They can't keep up with you. Where are the cover pieces?
That's the front, babe.
Oh, duh. I'm thinking my brain is. I'm thinking they each need one.
You're gonna loosen that like a half a turn. Each one. It loosens the belt a little. It says move it all the way around its entire motion. And tighten it back. Next up is cables. You got 4 cables here to do. And these puppies here. All right. Yeah, plug it in.
That's it.
Yep.
Feels
that's
like
it.
it would go tighter. And that isn't really.
Now
There
it
it
can.
goes. Where's your little handy dandy power tool over here?
Sometimes doing it by hand is the best way.
So this best way here? Just checking.
Well, I mean, you could use the tool, I guess. You just can't see how tight it's going to get. All right, all 4 of them's screwed in there. Now we can plug them into the tops here of the tool heads. Yeah, make sure it's not kinked whenever you plug it in, I guess. Just screw this guy in. There's 2 sides of this tube. One side's kind of squared off. As you can see, this side here is. The other side's smooth. So you start the smooth side in first.
Straight
Which one does
down
that
the
go?
back, pull, tug a lug.
Slide
It's
it
in
right in
there.
there.
Actually, I don't
like
want to
that.
get tangled up with that one though.
The flat side to the left or right of it. Yeah, like that.
This.
Yep. Just like that.
She's in.
There's those.
What else? Do
Now we need the
have in
clips
this
to
box?
hold all this stuff together.
We've got some cutters. Can
Ooh,
never
cutters.
have too many of those. And these even have a cap
Right.
on them.
I think we just need to put these clips on here now. These clips that hold the wire in the tube.
Yeah.
They
each one
are a little
take-
bit different. Let me
They
see one of
are?
them. If you look at it, one part's smooth and the other part has some little notches on it. The smooth part goes on the tube. The other part goes on the wire.
Okay. How many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate?
What you gonna do?
Just in case people don't know, you might want to show them how this power cord works. Where does that go? You got a power cord here.
Hang on, let me do this first.
Snap up here.
No. Why?
Go on the side there.
Those slide on really easy.
Like that.
Huh?
That power cord, is that right?
You moved my spool. Obviously not. My spool was back there. That is the simplest of things, Jeremy.
What?
That
Oh, we gotta show them how it goes in,
actually.
just in case. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, see that's like your final. Ta-da!
Wow.
Like
No,
that
it's
kinda deal.
not. You
It's
have
not?
to turn it actually on.
Oh, you gotta turn. So that's not the ta-da. So take my ta-da back. Flip the power switch.
Hang on. I am in slot 4. Let me feed to slot 4.
Well, don't do it yet. Wait,
I'm just going to poke it a little bit.
just to give it a. Oh, she flipped it on. Peel the front plastic piece off.
Oh, wow. There's no screen that sticks out. That's nice.
Peel it off.
Just now noticed
I know you
that.
want to. Woo!
Fancy. Every printer we have, the screen protrudes.
Yeah, sticks out.
That is nice. Especially if you take your printers with you anywhere, like we take them to events. The screen seems to always be something that is going to get damaged over everything else. It's already going. I didn't even do anything. You even figured it out up there yet, and it's already taken off. I'm not doing anything. It just knows what it wants.
I'm trying to connect the Wi-Fi, and you're over here slinging filament through it. It's hungry.
Man,
Oh, there
it
it
sucks
goes.
it up like nobody's business. Watch.
Feed it in. Feed it in.
Watch how fast it sucks it up there.
Woo!
Okay.
Cut that little spot off because we always do that. Get rid of the bad little.
Should let that go, but
Yeah,
dang.
there she goes. What do you think about that?
It's probably one of the easiest
Winner chicken dinner?
ones I've had. It's probably one of the easiest machines I have tried to feed.
Whew. That was not 2 hours. We could have done that quicker, actually. Yeah.
One thing that I will say on this,
Mhm.
which it's not really much different than a bamboo, but give me some handles, y'all. Like I said, if you're using it for a print farm or it's not ever going to move
Put a
anywhere,
little slot in it or
it's
something.
whatever. But a lot of people do take their printers with them
Yeah.
places and to events and things
Yeah,
like that.
that's true.
And it would be nice to have like a little
little
indentation
groove.
here or something to help
Yeah.
you hold it. And this isn't the only company that doesn't have those. Just saying, it would be nice.
So we're going to stop there, and you can check out the next video we're going to do on finishing the setup of this here. We'll run some prints off of it and see how it prints. Maybe we'll do like PLA, AB, do TPU or something together and see how.
Can't do PLA and ABS.
Maybe.
I saw that about slide out of your mouth.
You could if you really
you can't
wanted to.
enclose and unenclose
Yeah,
at the
but
same
we
time.
we could make it.
Let's just stick with the same
but yeah.
material. Some Pet G coming for a death racer that we're building already.
All right, thank y'all for
See
watching.
ya
Like,
next
subscribe,
time.
and check us out on Livestream.